What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install a brighter LED strip for the trunk. Let's do it. Alright, we're back guys. We're back to do some LED strips for the trunk. We're gonna install it on the back in here, so let me open it. Alright guys, this is the one I have right now. This one is very nice, but the only downside about this one is during the daylight it's hard to see it. So now we're gonna install a brighter one. Okay, so this one is gonna be cooler than this one. So let's see, I think it's gonna be the same process, but this one, the new one, it should be super cool. Okay, so let's start the installation. So I have the box right here. I got it from Amazon. Right here you can see it. So let's open it first. Alright, so it has the installations. There's the installation, the connections. I hope it comes with all the connections. Oh, okay. One thing. This is made for trucks, okay? So I might have to cut the cable in order for me to connect it to the car. But if you have a truck, it's just a thing plug and play for a truck. But for me, I have to cut it. Alright, so, and this is the strip. You can see it right there. One more thing, it has a 3M double-sided tape on the back, so that is good. So it's gonna be stronger than the one I have here. It's already moving. So this is great. Cool. Alright guys, the strip, I'm gonna put it here. It's gonna go here, 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 all the way here till here. Alright. This one is longer than the one I had before, so it's gonna go a little bit more higher. The other one was here, so this one is gonna go right here, okay? Alright, that was easy. So remember to clean very good the area that you're gonna stick the strip, alright? So clean it with alcohol and then you can put the strip on there. So here is the strip all the way here and there. So now this cable, I'm gonna put it under this rubber thing. So I'm gonna lift it there and run it inside there. Okay, so let me do that next. Okay guys, this is how the wires goes, okay? This one, the blue one, let me show you. The blue one is the ground. This one is the running lights. The white is for the running lights. The yellow is for the left turn signal. The green one is for the right turn signal. And this separate cable, the red one, is for the reverse lights. Okay, so alright, so for the reverse I have this cable right here that goes for my reverse that are right here. Alright, so I run the cable all the way here, here, and in here. Go have it right here. But the ground, you can get it even from this. You can use one the bulbs. The black one should be the ground. Okay. You can use it from there, so you don't have to run a cable all the way to the back. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this, because I don't have this connection on my car. This will work for trucks, but not for my car. So okay guys, I think I got it. It was a little bit confusing because in here it says that brake, I don't know if you can see it, brake, left turn signal, brake, right turn signal. Okay, so that's a little bit confusing for me. So what I did, let me explain to you what I did. Okay, so the left is the green one. I connected on the green on the left side, okay? And the yellow is the right turn signal. So I didn't cut anything. What I did is I inserted inside the connection, all right? So that's left and right turn signal. And the blue one is the ground. So I left it on the ground. That is the cable that has the black line. That's the ground. The blue wire. All right. And then the white in here, it says that is the running lights. Okay. So that one is for the brake lights. All right. So the white one, I connected to the brake lights. You can see it there. So what I did, just insert it inside the connection and put it inside of the brake light. And let me see if I have anything missing. Oh, the reverse. Right here. The reverse right here with a cable. The red cable is the reverse. And goes all the way here to my reverse lights. Okay, so now let's see how bright this is, because this one have a lot of LEDs. You can see it there. This one should be bright. Let's see it. All right. It looks great. I love it. This is twice as bright as the one I had before. This one, wow, you can see it there. Whew. So let's see it outside. It's not that dark right now, so let's see how it looks, how bright they are. Okay, like outside at the garage. Okay guys, those are the LED strips. I love them, looks great. The brightness is bright, but it's not like blinding bright, okay? I love the way it looks, and the thing in the middle, in the turn signals, it goes from the middle to the side. I think that one looks better than the other ones I had before, alright? But let me know what you guys think, okay? Put in the comments. Also, I'm gonna put the link on the description of the video if you wanna get this, alright? So, if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.